In the last session, you learned about Illustrator and how you can import your vector files into the After Effects. During this session, I'll tell you about how you can edit the Illustrator file in the After Effects. Suppose we want to shorten the pipe here, or make the test tube a little taller. Normally, we cannot make a change here, because all of these are in one layer. You can convert this to a shape and then edit it. To do this, right-click on this layer. In the Create section, select Create Shape from Vector Layer. Or right-click on the layer here, then select the Create Shapes from Vector Layer. I did this. After we convert it to the shape, a layer will add above this, and this bottom layer hides. Now I can edit this with the Pen tool. I select the Pen tool or G button on the keyboard. When you select it, automatically some points are created here. You can select these points. If you hold the Shift, you can select more points. I'm holding Shift right now, like this. After you have done this, click on one of these points and move it. I'll bring it down. So for minor changes in After Effects, you can use this method. I want to make this tube bigger. I zoom in enough on this one, then I hold Shift and select these points. Points turn blue when they're selected. After that, click on one of these points. Hold Shift to drag it up as far as you want. Now this one is bigger than the others. Easy peasy. Sometimes you can't edit them in After Effects. For example, you want to duplicate this one and put them together. Such a difficult task in this program. In this situation, select one of these layers and press Ctrl E from the keyboard. This shortcut auto-opens the Illustrator program. In the Illustrator, you can add whatever changes you desire. For instance, I go inside this jar. I get a copy of it with Ctrl C. Then paste it with Ctrl V. I want this one to be a bit taller. I get another copy with Ctrl C. I make it a little smaller, like this. Now we have 3 copies of it. Then I press Ctrl S and move back to the After Effects. But this layer is now hidden. I disable its eye. Now you see that we edited our files and see the changes result in real time. So for minor edits, you can use the Create Shape layer. Or if you feel that After Effects cannot implement your desired changes, press Ctrl E and do the rest in Illustrator. After that, press Ctrl S and see the changes in After Effects immediately. No need to open the file separately in Adobe Illustrator. Apply the changes directly as I told you, much easier.